Okay, episode 9. We're on number 9. Will there be a 10? There might be a 10. We'll see. Anyway, here we go. Let's open up some mail.
When I tell you it's hot outside in South Georgia in July, it's hot. Inside, it's 101 degrees. I'm just staying strong and pretty, but we got some mail, so let's open it. This one's a little special. Come from a friend who was in Alabama doing a little bit of shopping, and I was like, hey man, since you're there, see if they got one of these, and see if they got one of these, and ultimately he wound up getting a box helping me finish some Hot Wheel sets. Here we go. Anywho, what's in the box? I think it's going to be more along the lines of my Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels stuff from my buddy Matthew. Good friend of mine. We used to be roommates together in our younger days and built a couple of cars and motorcycles and things like that. Actually had a little car lot for a little while. Man, he put a box in a box. That's cool. Box in a box. A dirty box in a box. What we got, Matthew? Oh! They didn't stack them though. The cards all bent up. Asshole. Look at that. That's alright, I can fix it. There we go. I've been waiting on this one. 100% been waiting on this one. The story with this, I was in Charleston 6 months or so ago doing a gig, and this one and number 2 I think were hanging at the Walmart, and I was like, nope, I'm done, I'm not collecting no more. And I should have got it, because they had, when I got back to Savannah, they had 2, 3, 4, and 5 all together, so I bought all the 4, and then I couldn't find this one, and Matthew ran across it for me. So that is awesome. I think I already got a set of these. I cannot remember. Ooh, this must be a set. I don't remember. Don't remember. Oh, nice. Complete set there. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. Oh, yeah. These are super hard to come across. It's usually this one. This one is everywhere. The land shark, there's just tons of those. So I now have 3. Man, I don't remember this set at all. But that's a really cool car. I almost bought one at auction one time. Alright, complete set there, complete set there. We'll complete my set. What is this? Nice. I wonder if I don't have that one, I guess. Yep, so we'll put that one up. And then number 4. I know I definitely don't have this one. Alright, so I need number 1, number 3, and number 17. And in this set, will be complete until things are released. So that's cool. And I got me a little file box. Awesome.
It's hot, everybody. Woo-wee! Let's start the radio off. Yep, and then enjoy the AC in the car and go on a hunt. Let's go hunting. Ready? Not that kind of hunting. I don't have that much redneck in me. I don't want no redneck in me. Hey, get away!
run some errands, pick up a couple of checks. Not really doing much of nothing because I'm in flip-flops today. Yeah, you're welcome, you weirdo feet people. Charge extra for that. Anyway, we're gonna do our first hunt. And when I say hunt, I'm talking about, instead of collecting as an opportunist, just happen to be going by somewhere and seeing what's on the shelves, we're actually gonna go seek out a couple of items, see how it works out. So still being new to the hobby, I'm still learning a lot. I do know there's a couple of Kroger exclusives, like there may be just only sold at Kroger, some sets. I'll show you guys my set maybe at the end of this video or the next video, just Hot Wheels stuff. And what makes me say that is I actually bought a complete set that the guy labeled Kroger exclusive. So I don't know. There's a couple of X-Men I'm hunting out of a five set. I want I've only got 3 of those, so I want to finish those. Any of the variants on the 80 set I really want. I'd love to have that super treasure hunt. And what else? I think there's 2 in the pop culture set that I'm missing. Other than that, just a couple little random cool cars here and there. It's kind of what I'll take. Look for. Let's see what they got. Let me find a parking spot. All right, first Kroger is a bust. They only had 1 small dump bin, but I did get a couple of things I didn't have. Skyline, where did I park there, I guess, and a Batman tuned car that had a mint card versus the one I've got with a bad card. Here, let me show you. Ready? All right, that's what I got. Who doesn't love a guy to go? I've got a red one, don't have a yellow one. There's the Batman I was telling you about. I've got one of these, but it's a crease up there. I don't have none of these. I absolutely love the two-tone effect on that. And then I like exotic cars. Even in real life, I've had a bunch of BMWs and a bunch of Mercedes, a couple of Porsches, and the Volvos, and I like wagons too, so I'll probably get some wagons. Anyway, so it wasn't a Legends winner. Wasn't a total bust, but nothing special. And it was only a small, like I said, small dump bin. So we're gonna go find a Publix next, because I was told that they have some, and then I'm gonna hit up $1 General on the way, and then probably go catch a movie. Yep, here we go. Little Dollar General in the hood. Never been to this one. Let's see what it's got. All right, looks like they got a couple decent stock. Nothing special offhand, but let me go through these real quick and see what we got. Definitely not much, but a couple of them I don't have. The Supra and the C10. All right, let's go to the next place. All right, haven't been to one of these in a while, so let's see what we find. And I hope they have a bin somewhere. Oof, rough. Big time disappointment. No dump bins and only that little tiny section. All right, we're only a mile away from Walmart. Let's go check a Walmart. All right, we're at the local super center, Savannah's west side. Let's see what we can find. Still on Series 1 for the Squadron stuff, but they do have some Boba Fett. Bad Batch. Thought I saw it in Andor, so that's pretty cool. Those are new. Not looking good down there. Let's check out the premiums. See if there's anything I absolutely must need, and then probably get out of here. Taking home some of these Star Wars because they are mint. Mint. You never get them that good a condition at Walmart. And I found one thing of Hot Wheels toys, and it's that 100th Disney anniversary. 2 complete sets, 1 through 5. Cards ain't in the best shape, but whatever. I'll take them because I know the number 1 was super hard to come across. That's not it. Where's number 1? This guy. There we go. So, I've got one to keep and one to open. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Summertime Tuesday. When I tell you it's hot in South Georgia, it's about 11 o'clock at night. And the ambient temperature here is still 88 degrees inside with the fan blowing. 86 over there, 87 there, 87 there. I mean, it's just cooking. Unless you have some commercial AC, just kind of got to get used to it. All right, we ended up the day, it was yesterday, I think. Yep, not today. I've been in the sun all day today. Yesterday, we ended up going to a movie. And nope, yeah, yesterday. Today's Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tuesday discount movie. And Target. We ended up the day at Target, but the phone died, so I wasn't able to record. But I will show you what I got. It was a DieCast day. Yep. Here we go. Some of this stuff is a few items that I already had. Let's get those out of the way, because they're pretty cool. Just hadn't figured out what I want to do with them yet, because I was rearranging the wall over there yet again. It's kind of what I like to do. All right. Target. What did I pick up? We picked up the green tuned Batman. We picked up these 3 X-Men. So I got to get the other 2 so I can complete that set. I will literally lose sleep if I do not complete that set. Picked up a couple of yellow submarines because I saw everybody posting about this car on the forums, and I was like, all right, I'll get one. I'm not a Gas Monkey Garage fan, but let's get one. And then I realized the reason everybody did was because one of these is the Super Treasure Hunt, which this one is not, but I still got it. Still got it. Let's see, these I've already had. This one I just got. That is probably the single most expensive Hot Wheels small item that I've ever purchased. That bad boy was $7. And my poster board. Let's put this out of the way. We did find some treasure hunts. 3, 4 of them. So I ended up with 3 of them. I'll keep one and trade the other 2. Got this one. Gonna keep that one. And we got this one. I'm gonna keep that one. So those are gonna go in containers very soon. These are just random cool ones I liked. Again, who does not like I Gotta Go? I thought it was red. It's not. It's orange. Here are the ones we got from the Kroger. You guys have already seen these. I'll lay these out real quick. Back with you. All right. These are the ones from the Kroger. That's the one from the dollar store. I forgot. This was one from the Target. I got these because they were... That's 7 of 10. This is 10 of 10. So I'm imagining maybe 2021 or 2022 versus 2023 line. Or it's an error. I don't know. Don't really care. As you can see, I'll take all the land speeders I can get. Yep. Alright, let's see. This was the mint card one. This one should be the damaged card one. Yep. See that? That was damaged up there. Now this one's good. So this one will stay in my collection. This one will go over here to the pegboard. And I will sell it to anybody who comes in the shop and wants it. I've been surprised at how many people has bought my extras. So personal stuff's not for sale, but anything on the pegboards, I'm now selling because why not? and I'm not scalping regular retail. And last but not least, this set. I did have 2 complete sets with 2 extras of number 5, I think, and number 4. I don't remember, but this is that set. They're all the metal ZMAC style, however you say that. This is a Maca. Whatever. Anyway, that is my first attempt of actually going out hunting for DieCast Hot Wheel treasure hunts and super treasure hunts. So it wasn't a total bust. I think I'm gonna go one more time, specifically looking for treasure hunts and super treasure hunts, and then everything else will be just when I happen to be out. I want to hit up a couple more locations and see if I can complete this set, because this, I really want to complete it. Now, I don't know how long this video is. I did mention about showing off my Hot Wheels collection. Of course, I have 2 sets of these complete with a whole bunch of extras over there. I've got this complete set, and I've got 2 complete Batman sets. Then I've got 3 of the 4 known to me Stars and Stripes set. 2016, I think I'm going to purchase off eBay because nobody else seems to have one. I'm starting to look for these also. I've only found them at Hobby Lobby. I see Toys R Us has some, but I have not been to one. We don't have any near us, period. Not even close. Driving distance at all. They're kind of expensive, but I like them because I collect Garbage Pail Kids cards, which I'll show you over here in this messy room. Some of those. I got a complete box of unopened ones there, and some of the older original series is there. Let's see. What got me into Hot Wheels? Do we want to do that on this video? Let me see how long this video is going to be. Oh, my hand's in the way. Anyway, I'm sweating already, and I ain't done nothing but talk. It's freaking Georgia heat, man. It ain't no joke. You think we'd be used to it, but no. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe. Send me links to anybody who's watching this that has their own YouTube channel or their own collection. Send me links. I want to see it. I'm learning. I'm still trying to figure out. I understand the K-box, J-box, stuff like that on the cases, but I hadn't figured out how to line them up to the cards yet. Which one of those means it's a C box or a K box or a G box? I don't know. I don't know. But that would help me go a little closer or quicker going through the pegs trying to find the treasures. Is that it? Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you next time. Appreciate you.